Oh, girls, come on down.
Look at him.
Go on. Don't look at Daddy.
Don't look at Daddy. Go look and see what.
Look what you got. Yeah. Go see what you got. Wow.
What'd you get, Rach? Did you get a papa?
Different.
Different from sisters? And what else?
This is what I asked for.
Yeah, it is. There's your microphone and your radio. Turn it on and see if it works.
I got a book.
Has an on-off button, honey. Turn it the other way.
Look at my book. It's supposed to have batteries.
Turn it on. See, huh? A book? Who's that? Linus? And he has his blanket, huh? Just like you.
A blue one. I have Snoopy when he's asleep. He's on his watch. Oh, Pony.
Rochelle, turn the radio on and see if it works.
Rochelle, look at your baby, and I got a baby too.
What? Did you get some stickers in your stocking?
Look what I got. But I can't get it.
It's doing it while you're talking. It does it with the radio, I think.
Rochelle, look.
Find a station and leave it on a station.
Look what I got.
Find one that has music.
What's this?
There you go. Sing with him. That's what you're supposed to do. The headband. Like on your phone, on that one. So just put it back and we'll do it later.
A watch that works.
You got a watch that works?
A pony watch. Heavy.
Is she a heavy baby?
Mm-hmm.
She has a bottle and she has a diaper.
Heavy. Back to me. Come here, the diaper bear.
And there's your vacuum, Rochelle. Didn't you say
You
you
can
wanted to
take off
vacuum?
the diaper and the bear. It's on.
Okay, put it down. Run it. Wow.
I didn't want a new bag.
Turn it back on, a vacuum. Go the other way. So a little bit hard to push. See, there's a light and those little bubble things pop up the faster you go. Well, that's just a switch for the front of it, honey. Yeah. What? You want your popple out of there?
See a different one.
Yep, she's a different one.
There's yours, Rochelle. Oh, there's Bibsy. Where's mine? Right there. That girl's holding yours.
I'm not sure how to get it out here.
That one you get. Abby. What are these? This. What are these, Mom?
What are what? Those are headbands with bows on them. Yeah, put it back in, honey.
I'm helping.
Here's your bottle that goes with it.
Yay.
You guys make sure you don't chew
An
your hands
apple.
off this time.
Look, Mom.
Yes, got some lotion, huh?